Unlocking savings, the power of bulk buying. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. One that can be quite useful in everyday life. Bulk buy. We will delve into what this phrase means, how you can use it in sentences, and why it can be beneficial for you. So, whether you're a student, a housewife, or anyone looking to enhance their English vocabulary and understanding, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Bulk buying refers to the practice of purchasing goods in large quantities, usually at a reduced price per unit. When you bulk buy, you're not just buying one or two items, you're buying a large amount of them. This could apply to anything from groceries and toiletries to office supplies. The key here is that you're buying in large quantities. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in everyday conversations and writing. 1. We decided to bulk buy rice and pasta because there was a huge discount at the supermarket. 2. Here, the phrase is used to explain why someone decided to buy large quantities of rice and pasta. 3. Bulk buying can save you a lot of money in the long run, especially if you have the space to store the items. 4. In this sentence, the phrase is used to highlight the financial benefits of bulk buying. 5. Many small businesses bulk buy their supplies to reduce costs. 6. This example shows how the phrase can be applied in a business context. While bulk buying has its advantages, such as saving money and making fewer shopping trips, there are also some potential downsides to consider. Pros: savings. Buying in bulk usually means paying less per unit. Convenience: less frequent shopping trips. Cons: storage. You need ample space to store bulk items. Waste. There's a risk of items expiring before you can use them all, especially perishable goods. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on what bulk buy means and how you can use it in your daily life. Remember, while it can lead to significant savings, it's important to weigh the pros and cons, and consider whether you have enough storage space and can realistically use all the items before they expire. We hope this video has been helpful and has added a valuable term to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.